health rising, and wellness rising, right? So we back for another yoga therapy session. Welcome to the channel. I'm Exercise Star of Exercise Star Yoga and Fitness, but you could call me Star. So let's begin. We got the 528, hertz frequency going on in the back for promoting cellular repair and healing, not just of the body, but of the mind as well. And I am a certified yoga instructor. So it's not just coming from like anybody experimenting with shit. So come on to the top of your mat. Exhale on down. And we just going to start by sitting cross-legged on the mat. You could lay down if you want, lay flat. Or do recline bent knees, take some pressure off your back. But here in this yoga practice, we focus on the breath work, not just the movement. The movement is important, but it's just like one of many aspects of yoga. Okay, so we're going to go within and just be with self. Just align our mind for the restoration and rejuvenation of our complete selves. And that's why we start with breath work here at Exercise Star Yoga and Fitness. So let's come on. If you're sitting cross-legged, whatever you're doing, you want your spine aligned, right? That's important. We're going to start just with some really gentle movement. Inhale your neck halfway back and then exhale it all the way back, looking up to the sky. Before inhaling again. And then exhaling that chin down to your chest. Doing what feels good for you, right? Inhale, looking up. And exhale. Turn your head, neck, and throat to the left, looking over your left shoulder, right? Inhale through the nostrils. We inhale from the abdomen, like a belly breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. And then exhale through the nostrils, releasing that abdomen and turning to the right. Release your neck, head, and throat to the right. Before you inhale, and we're forward again, okay? So with the diaphragmatic breathing, when you breathe, you want to breathe in through the nostrils and down into the abdomen. Let's practice that for a bit. Inhale, hold the breath for, 2 to 4 seconds. Take that pause consciously and then exhale. Mouth closed through the nostrils. Pause and hold that breath for continuing. Keep up with that breathing pattern. I'm going to guide you through a body scan meditation. And drawing that deep breath, checking in on your forehead, on your temples, on your jawline. Is it tight? Is there tension, stress? Are we holding it there? I want you to take a pause, and when you exhale, consciously exhale and release all of those stressors, causing that tension and that tightness and that soreness and that stiffness. The body does indeed keep score. So inhale and check in this time. When you inhale, turn your attention to your neck, your throat, right? Your shoulders. Are you up here like this, or are you able to relax yourself on a general basis? If not, keep on coming back to practice, because I love to do a good body scan. Okay? The benefits are amazing. Check in on your arms, on your fingers, on your hands, on your wrists. And when you breathe out, exhale all of that tension, that tightness, that soreness, that stiffness that we're holding in the body unknowingly. Because when's the last time you even checked in on yourself, right? Not nobody else's responsibility. It's your personal duty to you, your true self-love. So come in and inhale and check on your chest, check on your pelvic area, your womb area. Check on your spine, your upper, mid, and lower spine, especially that low back. Always cutting up. What you're going to do, you're going to exhale. And that is releasing the tension and that tightness from our parts. Inhale. Checking in on our hips, on our thighs, on our kneecaps, on our shin, on our ankle, on our feet, that Achilles tendon, our toes. Be honest with yourself, it's an assessment for you. And what you do with that information, it's yours. Exhale and release all of that tension and that soreness and that stiffness. Everything you've been feeling and just holding it onto unknowingly. It's the time to release. It is okay to just be. It is okay to just breathe. And that's just what we're going to do in this moment for about 3 to 5 breaths. Just notice how you feel. Yeah, feels so good right now. And just to give you an update on how my foot is actually feeling and my hand, so much better than when we started these sessions, so much better than when it first started 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. But I think this is our 3rd session, but I've probably been dealing with it for about 4 weeks. So what we're going to do, I want you to raise your arms up. And if you can't raise them up like that, you could keep things close in because it does bring tension on your arm. We're going to rotate our wrists in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 times. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Flip it and reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So that helps open up the hands and the wrists. And we're just going to do some finger wiggling. Yep, for a couple seconds. for about 10 seconds. And then we're going to do some open, close for a couple seconds. Let's do 10 of them. And you want to kind of even overdo it when you open that hand, because that's, you know, just bringing more flexion to the hand after all that. And until next time, peace.